fully caged now. Everything necessary except for front intrusion bars for Formula Drift even. That's the first cage I've ever built, yeah.
Pretty sick. The
So,
HR right there.
We're just kind of learning as we go along. So center light delete. The GS300 typically has 4 taillights. So we kind of got rid of them, the center ones there, so a little bit cleaner look.
They're gone.
Yeah. So moving on up here, we've got, we threw on an angle kit. We've got our early model Corolla mirrors, which I don't know if you guys have seen. And we kind of deemed this car the Dragon Hawk.
Oh.
So, got our little hood ornament guy there.
It's hard as balls.
We changed all the lights in the car. Everything's LED. Did a couple of fun things with some bulbs.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's full.
These guys got the dashing. Oh, what is that? I didn't even see that. It's hard as balls. Look how tucked that is.
Yeah, don't look at the other side.
Look at the shift knob, little dildo for you.
We've got our strobes.
Oh, it's hard as balls. Look at the stickers on the windshield.
Yeah, so we'll throw some gussets in here just to kind of stiffen up that B pillar since we took everything out of it.
Yeah.
Did some gussets up there on the,
Oh, what?
on the top.
So sick.
We're waiting on harnesses, a couple other small odds and ends, but for the most part, she's ready to go. The e-brake shoes are completely gone, so we need to replace those, and then we should be able to grip and rip. We'll throw these seats in a second and take her for a little spin.
First spin?
Yeah.
Ever? First GS300 convertible? Ever?
Ever.
Guys, look at the seats. I can't get over how clean this interior is. Like, the HR. Oh! What? Look at it.
Yeah, so we went with the wink mirror, but we've got a pink one coming.
Oh, it's so sick.
Got some strobies. Turn those off for the street.
Smells like 87.
Old gas. The gas is probably 2 years old.
This thing sat for forever. Oh, it smells so bad.
Huh?
Oh, look how low you sit.
I know.
Animal. Animal. Back it up. Back it up. Oh! Look at it! Oh my god, it's so sick! Oh! Look at it! Oh my god, this thing's hard as balls! Oh my god! So sick!
Get it?
I'm gonna hop in. I'm just gonna go ahead and hop in here. Oh,
I need an alignment.
This is sick. Ooh.
She's low.
Oh, it sounds so good. This thing is sick! Oh my god, this thing is so sick. Oh, it smells like rubber. Something's rubbing. I'm gonna take a look right at it. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
Like that shit.
Ah, we're getting all this shit in our eyes.
Sick as fuck.
I think we need to lift it up a little.
This is so sick. Oh, it sounds so good.
It's pretty low.
Here, let me get out so you can do a flyby. Yo, do a burnout! It's alive!
All right, so you guys saw our progress now. We took it out for a little spin. We've got a couple of bugs to work out, but any new builds like that. Basically, for the future, we've got some more gusseting to do on the roll cage, like we talked about. We've got belts, all kinds of other small things coming. But otherwise, you know, other than kind of finishing up the trunk area and making it look clean, she's pretty much there.
You're gonna take it to Tucson or what?
We're gonna take it to Tucson. We're gonna see how an automatic drifts, and yeah, hopefully you guys can join us for that.